This short tutorial explains how to buy shares of First Citizens Bancshares, Inc. First Citizens Bancshares is a regional bank holding company listed on NASDAQ as FCNCA, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally verify your account by uploading an ID document, and you will need to add funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FCNCA to find the correct listing. Make sure you pick First Citizens Bancshares, Inc. from the NASDAQ results. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure this is the correct First Citizens Bancshares listing. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, and review order settings such as order type and total cost before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set to execute at the next market open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it confirms the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A gentle reminder, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.